So today I'm going to talk about my absolute favorite application that I bought from AppSumo. So AppSumo, if you don't know, is a place where you could buy lifetime deal and have one monthly payment. So I read a review about Voila, and someone says you could use this daily as an assistant. And I thought, why not? So I gave it a try. I, didn't have any expectations, and I put it on my browser. And it's one of those things where you don't think about, but you use all the time. And if you don't have it, then you really notice it, like your coffee. So I could show you different example how Voila has helped me. For example, making YouTube videos. If I was doing a review on a text to speech, then I could ask Voila, it's handy, it's right on the browser to write me a short script. And I could ask it anything. And if I was using another application such as Norm Writer, another AppSumo product, I want to use the keywords and write a script. So I would take the keywords from Norm Writer and then I would combine it with Voila. So it works perfectly with other applications and it works very well alone. But I especially love that it helps me reply to email because it's also an icon on my email. And I'm a person that's a little lazy when I write emails. I don't put in the happy Friday and all that stuff. And I don't set the tone. I get to the point. And, some people probably don't like that. And so Voila helps me. It reads my email and it crafts a reply back. But it's still me. Anyways, I want to show you everything that it can do. So let's meet on Voila's page. So now I'm on Voila's main page. As you can see, it's an all-in-one AI assistant. It looks like this. It has different categories. I'll show you that on my browser. It uses Chat GPT-4, which is good. And here you could create professional content with it, have a target audience. It fine-tunes, like I said, with your email, your blogs, your essay, and advertising, anything you need. It's like your best friend online. And then you also have it in your inbox to help you reply. It reads what the person wrote and it crafts an email tailored to that with different tones. And then it could turn your website into different content too. Here, it could improve your writing. There's a grammar aspect to it. It could make things longer, make things shorter. I've done that a lot. I've always used that feature. And then it could research different information on the web. So this really helps me, especially with making videos. All these features I've used. But let's get started. Here, make sure you download the extension. And once you download, you have this icon here. And on the website, I can write anything. I'm going to take this website, get Voila, and then I'm going to say, and then I put the URL. And then here I could choose auto or web access, GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. I'm going to do this. And here, use current page as context, which I am because I want to ask about it. And then here's my chat history, and here's my preference in here. It says, show us a pop-up, click outside, and here the output language, which AI model. So you could really customize this. And let's hit right here. And now it's working. And it's very fast. And for me, if I was doing a YouTube video, which I am on this product, I want it to be more simplified for a description. So I'm going to ask it simplify this, and I could use this actually for my description in my YouTube video. Please make the text simple. Okay. I should have said, please shorten the text. And if I don't like this version, I could regenerate here. Okay. Then I could say, give me 3 lines. There are 3 lines. See, so it listens, it does it very well. And let's go to my email. So I received an email that I was selected to try on some clothes, and I'm going to respond back. Hit reply. Once I hit reply, I see Voila right here. And it says, what tone do I want? Casual, formal, straightforward, confident, or friendly? And do I want to acknowledge, confirm, and ask for more details? So I might ask for more details. See, so it thought about it for me, and I could copy and paste this. And then there it goes. It's right in my email. This is really a time saver. It just gets the point across. It reads it, understands it, just like when I was asking questions about Voila the site. It remembers my conversation. So it's truly a time saver. And I can go here again, and I could ask it to brainstorm here, to-do list, gift idea. So I'm going to do gift idea for a person who's in the hospital. So it's always giving me like very detailed versions. And it says anything else I can do, just press space for more actions. And then when I press space, you could see here, fix grammar. So I'll write something and let's see how it could fix my grammar. Improve writing. Simplify, change tone. So I'm going to write something and make a mistake and ask it to fix it. Let me just do a new one. Okay. Enter. There you go. I love horse riding in the sunset. It had I'm purposely writing incorrectly to see if this program would fix it. So yeah, so it did fix my grammar. And let's use GP4, which is the smartest one. So the next Summer Olympic is scheduled for 2024 will be held in Paris, France. And the next one will be 2026, and it takes place in Italy. Both wonderful places. I'm going to use it to make a social media post or get a social media idea. Do a Twitter tweet, write a tweet about Valentine's Day. Voila, there it is. And then you also have the hashtag added in here. Very useful. Legal advice. I like to chat about photography, photo copyrights. Where can I register? Yes. So you could have like a conversation with it. It'll remember and it'll ask you questions before we discuss where to register for copyright. Let's clarify a few things. Are you in US? I'm in United States. And seeking protection in this country. I like to register a collection of photos. And then I could press escape key anytime if it's going, it keeps scrolling and you don't want it, you could stop it at any time. And then here, use current page's contact, set language output as well, which you have here. And I have the lifetime tier 2 right now. So my final thoughts of Voila is that it is absolutely now necessary in my life to have it for my online internet experience. It's always available to me on the browser. It's available to me on the email. It's just second nature to use it. I highly recommend it. I think the plans on here are great. And if I see the Voila come back to AppSumo again, I will let you guys know. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and help my channel grow.